me, I know. Breakfast is a cooking in the kitchen, cooking on the stove.
Hi everyone, today we're in Top's Daily Supermarket. And today I'm gonna buy ingredients for my crispy pork. I'm going to do today. Can we get a shopping cart?
Yeah. Oh.
What ingredients do you need for your oil? Salt. Vinegar. Get the vinegar, the white one.
Any oil?
Show me. Okay. And
Oh, and our next ingredient is toothpaste. I'm joking.
Where's the salt? There.
here. Yeah. Show me.
And then we're gonna get the
Salt.
pork.
Bomb.
What else? What else?
Which one? That one. That one. Yeah. Show me.
Delicious.
How many? 2 things. What you will buy for the ingredient? Which one? You get one. Which one? Are you okay with that? Okay.
I can't look. And we're going to start cooking now. So first we have to wash.
What you cooking?
We're gonna wash.
Looking at me.
We're gonna cook.
Looking here.
We're gonna cook crispy pork.
Okay. First, what you do?
We have to wash the pork.
You have to clean that.
It smells like a squishy.
Okay.
Salt. And then add it
Before.
boiling.
Okay.
Boil the pork. We put the skin in the boiling pot. Use adult supervision.
And how many minutes?
10 minutes!
Okay.
10 minutes!
How many minutes, Ken?
10 minutes! You have to poke the pork.
Slowly. Bola slowly.
Okay.
Circle.
Ken, now you need to do that. You try.
Bola share.
Oh, you do this one first.
Okay, guys.
Slice the pork with adult supervision. It's hot here. Put the salt with big sister and little sister. Okay, and then I'll do the small. Okay.
What are you doing, Ken? Huh? Okay.
Put 5 spoons of vinegar. There's not yet vinegar. Put it.
Put here. Okay.
It smells a little
One.
yummy. For me, no. The skin of the pork in the vinegar.
For 5 minutes.
For 5 minutes again. Okay, now to wash it. Put the pork in the oven, and then the temperature is 210, and the minute is 30 minutes.
So here.
Skin up, skin up.
Second up like that. Okay, wait. You have to. Okay. 30 minutes. Now the crispy part to finish. Like this after 30 minutes. Then we have to fry it.
After 30 minutes from the oven, now you have to put the crispy pork in the oil. It's pretty, isn't it? I'm going back inside. I'm going first. Recipe: crispy pork. Do you want to taste? Yum.
Okay.
Please